Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we are going to talk about the fastest way to make money online with Openclaw. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on future videos. What if I told you there's an AI tool that can do in 10 minutes what used to take a freelancer 10 hours, and right now, people are charging serious money for it. Not in some far-off future. Right now, today. And most people have absolutely no idea this opportunity even exists. Here's the thing. Every single time a new technology comes out, there's a small window. A golden window, where the early movers clean up. We saw it with social media marketing. We saw it with Shopify dropshipping. We saw it with basic AI tools. And right now, that same window is wide open with Openclaw AI. The people who figure this out first are going to be the ones looking back a year from now saying, "I'm so glad I started when I did." And the best part? You don't need a degree. You don't need years of experience. You don't need a big following or a fancy website. What you need is the right information, and that's exactly what this video is. I've been in the online business and AI space for a while now. I've tested a lot of tools, tried a lot of strategies, and I can tell you with confidence, what I'm about to show you is one of the most accessible, fastest ways to start generating real income online that I've come across in a long time. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to make money using Openclaw AI, walk you through a real example you can literally copy today, and at the very end, I'm going to show you how to turn this into a repeatable income stream that keeps paying you. So make sure you watch until the end, because that last part is where it all comes together. And if you're new here and you're serious about building income with AI tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Every week I'm dropping content that helps real people build real income online, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, let's get into it. So first, what exactly is Openclaw AI and why should you care? Let me break it down in the simplest way possible. Think of Openclaw AI like having a highly skilled virtual employee, someone who never sleeps, never asks for a raise, never calls in sick, and can produce professional quality work in a matter of seconds. That's the closest analogy I can give you. It's an AI-powered platform designed to help you create, automate, and deliver high-value services fast. Now, there are a lot of AI tools out there. ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai. You've probably heard of them. But what makes Openclaw AI different is that it's built with a very specific use case in mind. It's built for people who want to offer services to businesses. We're talking automations, workflows, content, systems. The kind of stuff that businesses actually pay good money for. It closes the gap between here's a cool AI output and here's a finished product a client will pay for. And who's already using it? Agencies are using it to serve more clients without hiring more staff. Freelancers are using it to deliver faster and charge more. Entrepreneurs are using it to build productized services from scratch. These aren't tech geniuses. These are regular people who spotted the opportunity and moved on it. Okay, so now let's get to the part you came here for. How do you actually make money with this thing? I'm going to walk you through a 4-step method, and I want you to pay close attention here because this is where most people either get it right or stay stuck. Step 1 is identifying a pain point that businesses already have, and I want to make this super concrete for you. Local businesses, your restaurants, your real estate agents, your gyms, your med spas, they are drowning in things they don't know how to do. They need automated follow-up sequences so leads don't fall through the cracks. They need funnels that actually convert. They need onboarding systems, appointment reminders, review request campaigns. They need all of this, and they have absolutely no idea how to build it. That's not their job. Running their business is their job, so they're either not doing it at all, or they're paying someone a lot of money to do it for them. That someone could be you. Step 2 is using Openclaw AI to actually build the solution fast. And I mean fast. What would have taken you days to build manually, the research, the writing, the sequencing, the setup, Openclaw AI compresses all of that down. We're talking hours, sometimes less. You go from, I have an idea for a service to, here's a finished deliverable faster than you ever thought possible. And the quality, it's not rough AI output that needs a ton of cleanup. It's polished, it's professional, it's client ready. Step 3 is packaging it as a deliverable. And this is a mindset shift I really want you to take with you. You are not selling AI output. Let me say that again. You are not selling AI output. You are selling a solution to a real problem that a real business owner has. You're selling the result, the peace of mind, the hours saved, The leads that don't fall through the cracks anymore. That's what the client is buying. And when you position it that way, you can charge accordingly. Step 4, and this is where people overthink it, is finding your first client. You do not need a massive audience for this. You don't need thousands of followers or a big email list. You need one person with a problem you can solve. That's it. Start by looking at businesses in your local area or in Facebook groups in your niche. Reach out on LinkedIn. Send a simple cold email. Offer to solve one specific problem. Lead with value, not a pitch. Your first client is closer than you think. Now, let me stop talking about this in theory and actually show you how it plays out in a real-world scenario, because I think this is where it clicks for most people. Let's say you decide to target real estate agents. It's a great niche. They're busy, they're competitive, and they live and die by their follow-up. The number one problem a real estate agent has is leads going cold. Someone fills out a form, says they're interested in buying a home, and then the agent gets busy and forgets to follow up fast enough. That lead is gone. Someone else gets the sale. So here's what you do. You use Openclaw AI to build a complete lead follow-up automation. We're talking an immediate text message when a lead comes in, a follow-up email sequence over the next 7 days, a re-engagement message for cold leads, and an appointment booking workflow baked right in. You go into Openclaw AI, you build this out, you test it, and you have a finished system, a real functioning system, in under an hour. Now here's how you present it to the agent. You don't say, "I built you an automation." You say, "I built you a system that responds to every new lead within 60 seconds and follows up automatically for the next week, so you never lose a deal to slow follow-up again." That's a different conversation. And that conversation is worth real money. We're talking anywhere from $500 to $1,500 as a one-time setup, plus a potential monthly retainer to maintain and optimize it. And you might be thinking right now, "Okay, but I'm not techie. I don't know how to build automations." I hear you. And that's exactly why Openclaw AI is such a game changer. It handles the heavy lifting. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to understand code. You need to understand the problem the client has and let the tool help you build the solution. Once you do this once, you can do it 10 times, 20 times, for different niches, different clients, different industries. The process is repeatable. Now let's talk about what happens when you start to scale this, because starting is great, but building something that actually grows, that's where the real income comes from. Here's a story I want you to think about. Imagine someone. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah is a regular person. No tech background, no marketing degree. She watched a video like this one, decided to take action, and landed her first client, a local gym, by offering to set up their lead follow-up system. She charged $800. It took her 3 hours using Openclaw AI. That's her first win. She uses that testimonial to get her second client, then her third. Within 90 days, she's at $3,000 a month in revenue. Not because she worked harder, because she built a system and kept repeating it. That's not a fantasy. That is what happens when you take a repeatable process and apply it consistently. And the key word there is repeatable. Here's how you scale it. First, you niche down. Pick one type of business, real estate, fitness, dental, whatever you're comfortable with, and become the go-to person for that niche. Second, you productize your service. That means you stop doing fully custom work for every client and instead sell the same core package over and over, tweaked slightly for each client. Same system, different name on the door. Third, you use Openclaw AI to serve multiple clients at the same time without burning out. Because the tool does the heavy lifting, you can handle more volume without sacrificing quality. This isn't about replacing your job overnight. It's about building a skill, building a system, and building income that shows up consistently, month after month. Alright, so here's where everything I just showed you comes together into one clear next step. Everything we talked about today. Identifying pain points, using Openclaw AI to build solutions, packaging them, finding clients, scaling, all of that fits perfectly into one of the most powerful business models in the online space right now, and that is selling GHL Snapshots. GHL Snapshots are pre-built go high-level systems, complete, ready-to-deploy workflows, funnels, and automations that businesses and agencies are actively buying right now. And when you combine Openclaw AI with the ability to build and sell these snapshots, you have a complete income-generating machine. Build once, sell repeatedly. That's the dream, right? I've put together a complete guide on exactly how to make money selling GHL Snapshots, and the link is in the description below. It walks you through the whole thing, how to build them, how to price them, how to find buyers, and how to turn it into consistent monthly income. Click the link below, check it out, and let's get you moving. And before you go, if this video gave you value, drop a comment below and tell me your biggest takeaway. I read every single comment, and it genuinely helps me know what content to keep making for you. That's all for today. Now go take action, and I'll see you in the next one.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.